Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when night light is not working after updating Windows 10 on your computer. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to update graphics driver. To update graphics driver, you can open Device Manager, make a right click on the Start menu and then click on Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and then make a right click on Intel. If you have Intel, make a right click and then click on Update Driver, then click on Search Automatically for drivers, and once the installation is done, restart your computer and then check the night light. If you have a dedicated graphic card, you can make a right click on that and then click on Update Driver, again click on Search Automatically for drivers, and once the update is installed, restart your computer and then you can go ahead and check the night light. If still it's not working, then in that case you can use Intel driver and support assistant, and this has worked for me, so it might work for you. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Intel website, and here you can see Intel driver and support assistant. Click on download now. Run the exe file. Click on agree and then install. Click on yes to allow, and once done, click on launch. Now it will open a new tab, and here you can see it's scanning my computer. So it will scan your computer, and if there is any pending update for your graphic card, it will let you know. So here you can see there is an update available for Intel graphics and Windows 10 Wi-Fi drivers on my computer. So you can click on download all. And once the download is complete, you will see the install option. So click on install, and after the installation, restart your computer. So this install is done, the download is done, and once this download is complete, you will see the install option highlighted. So install it, and after the installation is complete, restart your computer, and then after the restart, you can go ahead and check your night light. It should work. This has worked for me, so it might work for you. Now still you're facing the problem, then you can go ahead and update your Windows 10. To update Windows 10, go to the start menu, click on settings, go to update and security, and click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then check your night light. Now if nothing is working, in that case you can use this app, that is Flux App. So copy this link. This is a third-party app and this is free. So click on download Flux and then run the exe file. Accept the terms. Click on yes to allow. Now over here you can see this app. You can drag it to use the night light. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get night light working on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.